I don't know if I'm sick, but I know for a fact that I'm not feeling the best. I woke up with some body ache and I feel like I have a fever developing. Last night, it wasn't really that cold, but I was freezing. I had to put my hoodie on, I had to wear socks, close the windows. It's not even that cold, right? So these are symptoms of a fever. Let's see how the day goes. खाना खिला दोगी?
और आज हाँ खिला देंगे।
I am not able to eat.
आज फ्रूट्स नहीं खाओगे?
क्या क्या है अभी?
ये तुम्हारा चावल चिकन और ये तुम्हारी दाल और ये तरोई की सब्जी।
थोड़ा खिला दो, बहुत वीकनेस लग रहा
तो
है।
हमें बताओ किस तरह मिस करना है?
फीवर है क्या? देखो
और ये
बहुत लाइट सा है।
है। सीधे होके बैठो बेटा ठीक से। सारा नहीं खाओगे?
सारा नहीं खा पाऊंगा। मम्मी ने खाना खिला दिया, वरना मैं तो उठने नहीं वाला था। एटलीस्ट आई एम फीलिंग बेटर नाउ। डज इट एक्चुअली लुक लाइक आई एम सिक? आई डोंट नो, माई हेड फील्स हैवी। ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कोई बॉलिंग बॉल डाल दिया हो मेरे सर पर। मुझे लगता है ये फीवर मुझे कवन से मिला है, बिकॉज व्हेन वी वर इन मैसूर ही वाज नॉट फीलिंग द बेस्ट. He was coughing here and there, and his head felt heavy too. He was on medication also, so it's most probably Kavan that has transferred this sickness to me. Yeah, man, enough lazing around. Time to get back to work. Fortunately, I don't have to go to the gym because आज मेरा rest day है. Hopefully by tomorrow I'll be feeling better. So let's wrap up some work and we'll see what to do after that. I caught up on some work and I realized that if I stay indoors for too long, I won't feel any better. So I'm going to the ground now just to be out in the sun, get some steps, maybe play a little bit. I won't bowl because my body is killing me. My head is hurting, but at least I need some movement. Bro, I was playing cricket. I was playing very well, and then I received a call from Shefali. She's like, she's come to my area to see me because I was not well. She doesn't know that I went to play cricket. If she finds out that I went to play cricket when I was not well, I don't know what she'll do. She's come all the way here thinking that I'm bedridden. I'm going to pick her up from the metro station. She's come 25 kilometers to see me. Okay, now where is Shefali? Bobbies, I found Shefali.
On the street?
Yeah, she was on the street waiting for me. She's come to meet me because I was sick.
Wow, what a nice person I am.
Yeah. Wait until you find out what I was doing before this.
What?
I was playing cricket.
That's why you look like you've not had a shower in 5 days.
That's because I'm sick, na. I took a shower yesterday.
Disgusting.
Disgusting,
Yeah.
Not that disgusting also. Come on, I was sick.
See, I'm South Indian. I take a shower every day.
Guys, I'm a bedridden patient. How are you going to take care of me?
By going home.
You travel 25 kilometers just to say that I look dirty.
Yeah. I want to go to Phoenix
For what?
to shop.
To shop?
Yeah.
You're gonna take a sick man to shopping?
Sick man went to play cricket, so I think he could shop.
अब शेफाली आई है तो इसकी थोड़ी खातिरदारी भी करेंगे. I have here for you some revdi. Have you ever eaten revdi?
No, what is revdi?
You don't know revdi,
No, I don't know what is revdi.
This. You don't know what it is?
Oh, now I know what this is. This is made of, this is called ellu. Ooh,
Nice, no?
yum.
Try this gajar halwa. My mom made this.
Spoon?
And this is some groundnuts. You don't get this in Bangalore. These are Rajasthani roasted groundnuts. Spoon. You know where the spoons are. Why are you asking me?
This is damn yummy, bro.
Yeah, the revdi is nice. First you eat this. And here I have for myself some oats and chicken. Halwa good? Crazy how I am the sick one and yet I'm the one doing hospitality here. Khatirdari for chef.
Thanks, I came all the way to see you. Come on.
Okay, fine.
I traveled 1.5 hours.
Alright, let's eat some of this. I don't know how much I'll be able to finish. Oats and chicken, by the way, not the tastiest combination, but making rice would take some time and oats is just instant. Okay, first I want you to try these groundnuts. Roasted Rajasthani groundnuts. You don't get them easily in Bangalore.
I'm just going to break them now.
You have to break them. Come on, bro, you don't know how to break groundnuts?
No, bro.
What is this?
I'm...
City girl. Bro, I can do it in one hand. Look, you need to grab it and not from the center, from the edge.
No,
You're supposed to do it from the edge.
This kadle ka hai.
Yeah, and it's open.
Oh.
Right? These are not Bangalore ones.
Yeah, these are almost like they're roasted.
Yeah, they are roasted
Yeah, but it's like they are roasted like
internally.
Yeah. Yummy, bro.
Yeah.
Who got it for you?
My dad got it.
From Raghuv.
And I don't know who gave him.
Yeah, you told me.
We get a lot of this. Yeah, like Sharma ji ye le jao, Sharma ji wo le jao. Come on, do it.
I'm scared I'll break a nail.
You're scared to break a nail, huh? Bro, look. Hold it like this. Alright. Hold by the edge. And break it like this. And then.
So yummy.
What is so yummy?
Gravy.
Gravy. Yeah, I knew you would like it.
Yums, bro.
You're welcome. If I come to your house, you will give me all this stuff.
Yeah, obviously.
When will you call
I'll
me?
give you mutton biryani and chops.
Yeah, when will you call me?
December.
December. We are in January. So this girl just picked the furthest away month that she could pick. Crazy, huh?
I'll give you mutton biryani, chops, paya.
Sweet, what you'll give me? Huh?
What do you want to eat?
Why are you asking me? What does your mom specialize in?
Gajar ka halwa.
Same, huh? Your mom also gajar halwa only. What were you saying? My legs are too big. One of us needs to build legs, no? When was the last time you squatted?
Wednesday.
Oh, you squatted recently.
Wednesday or Tuesday? Tuesday. No, wait. Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yes.
Your next squat session, God knows when it will be.
Next to next week.
Yeah, she used to be decently regular, about 3 times a week. 3 to 3.5 times a week average.
And then December happened.
And then December happened. Birthday month came, meaning this girl left everything.
Yeah.
But yeah, even my legs are downsized, and plus, you guys know that I've busted my knees. I'm not able to squat, I'm not able to do leg presses properly. So it's gonna take a hit. But on the bright side, I'm gonna exploit this phase to build my upper body. I'll have more resources to dedicate towards upper body training.
Guys, look at him. We are in Kashmir.
Brother, I'm freezing.
Kashmir outfit.
Shefali is going to put this revdi in my mouth from there. Yeah, come here and put. Huh? Come here and put. Some challenge should be there, no?
Fine, bro. I'll perform here, okay?
Let me eat first. Ready? She ate it? Brother, I opened my mouth wide for you. Come on, throw one.
Small one. For small man.
You missed it.
You can't fucking touch your teeth through it.
Last, huh? You better get this. Since it didn't fall down, I'll give you another chance. Oh, she missed it. She missed it. From here also you couldn't feed me well. Now that you're here, why don't you just clean my laptop? Somebody commented also, brother, clean your laptop. It got 20 likes.
Am I a maid?
Just do it for me, please. Itni khatirdari kari hai. Here's my laptop, my MacBook. Please clean it for me. Saturday 17 Jan, bro. Look at the consistency, bro. I think it's time for me to disappear now.
Yeah, it's time for you to disappear.
10 days I've vlogged, enough now.
Enough. He'll disappear soon, guys. Don't have too many hopes.
Clean the screen, the keyboard.
Don't tell me what to do. I'll drop it right now.
Clean the screen. Please clean the screen.
Stop saying what to do.
Okay, fine. Do whatever you want to.
First of all, this is too high for it.
Gopi Bahu, go wash my laptop.
I'll actually take it. It's not mine. I've not paid anything for this.
Just gently clean the Apple logo.
Now I'll clean your ass also.
My ass needs no cleaning. हमारी प्यारी गोपी बहू ने लैपटॉप क्लीन कर दिया है, guys.
Now I think you should throw money on my face.
Chalo, let's go. Let's take her to H&M. H&M you want to go, no? You're taking a sick man outside in the cold.
It's actually pretty cold, guys.
The only reason I've agreed to come out with her is because she came so far. And we're not going out for time pass. She needs something from H&M.
Yeah.
What do you need?
I have a 3,000 rupee voucher that I want to spend.
3,000 now.
Yeah.
Anything do I get?
No, it's mine. It was my birthday gift.
On the bright side, I'm getting my steps in. At least I'll get 10k today.
Dude, I have not done any steps.
Wow. Happy realization.
Oh, fuck.
How many steps you done?
3,000.
Wow, me as a 6 man has done 6,000 today. Shefali is looking for socks. She wants colored socks. These look lame, chef. They don't look like they're of good quality. Did you find what you were looking for?
Not really, but I got socks and a clip. A few pairs of
Plain white socks.
I wanted pink, but they didn't happen.
Huh.
And okay.
What are you actually looking for though?
I was looking for a gym tee. Gym, so I don't go, but gym tee.
Gym tee only for fashion.
Shut up, bro. I go.
Alright, Bobbies, it's time to drop off Shefali. She has to go home now.
You are acting with me. Though you're acting full sick now on vlog. So you're pretending to be fine.
As soon as the camera comes on me, I start acting like I'm fine.
You're like, I can't walk you to the metro. I'm gonna die.
Alright, Bobbies, it's time to see her off. Please pray for my recovery. I want to wake up feeling better tomorrow.
I want to see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow also?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. If I wake up feeling better, I'll see you. Otherwise, you'll have to come to Whitefield only.
No, I'm not coming to Whitefield tomorrow.
Alright, let's hope that I wake up feeling better. That's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one.
Bye.